Welcome to the Baby Cubby again. Today we wanted to talk about one of the brands that we're super proud to carry. It's called Plan Toys. They're made in Thailand and they're super passionate about sustainability and child development. They have lots of fun options when it comes to emotional development, intellectual development, and tactile development. They are also made of water-based paints and preservative-free, so they're super safe for your little ones. One of our favorite toys are these cute little cameras. They actually press the button and they have a cute kaleidoscope frame, which is so fun to look through. Another super popular one is the Happy Puppy. As you pull it along, it wiggles and it's so sweet, and it's a huge crowd favorite with the little ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to shop any of those Plan Toys products, please visit our website at babycubby.com. If you're interested in any of our other favorite toys, click on this link here to see more videos. And as always, like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.